Oh my god. Wake up. What the heck? Who sleeps with their hat on? Me? Oh, well, it's a beautiful day. Whatever. I'm sleeping. I have an off. Oh my god, you're so lazy. We literally have a vacation and all you're gonna do is sleep? Yes. Jumps. Ah! Go, wake up! I don't want to. God, bro. This one I'm gonna get hotter men at the beach. Alright. Time for my special wake-up call. What the f***, Eleanor? Ah! Why would you do that? You're staying home with your father. What? Yeah, because he's too lazy and he's actually gonna watch you. Sweetie, wake up. Oh my god, Mom. Okay, like, we're gonna go to the beach together, and Eleanor's not gonna come. Yes. What? Yeah, so we're gonna go to the beach, and you're not gonna come. Like we said. Oh, you're stupid. Let me start unpacking. My freaking hat. My towel. I'm probably gonna need the towel. I'm putting them in here. I don't care if you want them. Yes, and my bikini. Mom, that looks cool. Yeah, you're too young for that. So I couldn't even get a one piece? No, they didn't have one in your size. So we're gonna dry off. Okay. See, there's another towel in here. Actually, yeah, I got my special one towel. Can I come? I said no. Bro, I'm just gonna throw the suitcase out there. Freaking think this is. Where did you guys put your suitcases? Because I know it was in here. Oh, over here. Alright, honey. Here, Eleanor, take your freaking frog iPad. Unpack. And I'll be taking mine. Mom, how long are we gonna stay here? I don't know, a week or two? All you have is your iPad? Pathetic. Puts it up there. Mom, if you don't like her, why did you give her an iPad? Because I don't want her to bother me. Go in the kitchen. Why? Just go. I don't want her to stop bothering me. He can unpack his damn clothes. Yay, all my toys. Don't put them everywhere, honey. You could trip. Okay. Especially that iPad. It's not expensive. And if you break it, it's not expensive. And if you break it, then it's gonna take us a while to get you another one. Actually, just put all the suitcases in here. Okay, Mom. We're gonna go to the beach in like 20 minutes, so yeah. Alright, you can come back inside, I guess. Okay. I'm excited, Mom. Yeah. Oh, you look good. I know. Since you don't want to come to the beach with me. It's too hot to be wearing a hat. I guess I'll watch Eva and Eleanor then. Good. All right, sweetie, we're gonna go to the beach now. Okay, Mom. Bye, Eleanor. I wanna come. Well, you can't come. All right. Mom, I'm so excited. Yeah, me too. All right, let's go find a perfect spot. Okay. The beach starts getting packed. Come on, bestie, let's play. Okay. Oh great, more people are here. Mom, this is so cool. I know. Bro, if I lose you, Mom's gonna be mad. Whatever, let's go in the water. Just act like everybody has great swim stuff on. Alright. So I think the front is a perfect spot because we could go tan. Well, actually, I'm gonna be tanning. You go play. Don't go too deep in the water. Okay. Hey, hi. What's your name? My name's Amelia. What's your name? My name's Josiah. Nice to meet you, Josiah. Nice to meet you too. Do you want to play? Yeah, let's go in more. Okay. Is this a half sip? Yeah. It's stuck in the ground. Don't try to pick it up. You don't know where it's been. My mom said not to go too deep in, but I don't listen. Come here. Huh? There's an island. An island? Yeah. What was that? Oh. We can use a float to get back home. Yeah, we'll put it up here. Hey, kids, what you doing in here? Boy, get out. Okay. Come on, I'll help you. Where'd my brother go? Has anybody seen my brother? Yeah, what's his name? Josiah. No, I didn't see him. It begins to get late. We should go back. Yeah. Come on. All right. Come on. I'm taking this. This is cool. Put that thing down. We're here. Okay, that's it. it's getting late. Hey, brother Josiah, I'm mad at you. Oh my god, it is late. I gotta get tan though. Alright, come on. Let's go home. Stupid dad's gonna be like, where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Wait, wait. Do not act like he was worried about me. Come on. Alright, go. And go dry off. And take a shower too, because you probably, yeah. Give me these glasses. Shower. Alright. How do I... Does this shower work? Alright. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm gonna take a shower after. Eleanor, you're getting in the shower after us. But I didn't go to the beach. It doesn't matter. 10 minutes later, I get out. I'm gonna go take a nap, actually. With your glasses? Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Just get in the shower. Okay. No talk back. I'm not talking back. Alright. Dad! Be quiet! Anyway. You sleep in your robe. How is that? Bro, shut up. Okay. You get in that shower too. But I don't care. You're not sleeping in this bed, and so you get in the shower. Okay, get out. Close the freaking curtains. Bro, close the curtains! Okay, there we go. Turn this light on because you don't care. Oh, Amelia! Hi, Dad. Stupid. Take a shower. I look good. Anyway, I took my shower. Everybody took the shower. I have an idea. I'm gonna buy something from the shop because it's not fair that Amelia gets to have everything. She sneaks out. And then I'm gonna hide it in my suitcase. Because I got like $5. So yeah. Hi, lady. Hey, little girl, it's getting late. Don't worry about me. Oh, okay. Where's that one? Aren't you in the furniture store? Yeah, I had another job, kid. Interesting. Like, what do you want? Alright, so I want these 2 books, this toy, and no, something so the toy can have a companion. Kid, hurry up. Oh, I'll put it in the bag. What do you want, kid? Give me a moment. Oh, this is cute. I guess I'll just take this. He has a twin. Okay. Pays money. God, get out. Okay. Rude. Whatever, I guess. Sneaks in. Alright, I gotta hide this all in my suitcase with her big mouth waking up. Wait, no. Alright. Bro, Mom literally said to put this stuff up. This code doesn't look. What even is this, bro? Can I wear it? Can my dad wear it? I thought it was a hat. What is this? I'm gonna keep it because I can get more stuff. These books are just mad old. I need to hurry up. Oh my god, okay. Let me hurry up. Because oh yeah. Dad too. This thing looks cool. The more the better. Okay. Oh yeah, I left my glasses. Everything's a mess. I gotta hide the evidence. Up here. Okay. Time to hide all this in our stupid ground. Okay. Time to close this. The lights. Go to sleep. Alright. Wake up. See, even the baby says it.
Wake up, Eleanor.
Oh my god, why am I not used to that? Okay. Wake up, Amelia. Dad, let me sleep now. Okay. Where are my glasses? Look for them, I really don't care. Okay. Cause I can't see without them. I really don't care if I'm scattering these. I need to... Don't touch my suitcase. Amelia, Eleanor, you can get new glasses. And what was that in your bag? Nothing, Dad. Get out. Don't get disrespectful of me. Dad, you know you ain't gonna do nothing. Whatever. Bro. Mom, did you see my glasses? No. You look a little better without them, to be honest. What? Pick them up. I don't know why you keep making a mess. Because your sister cleaned it up and then you just ruined it. I really don't care at this point, bro. Even though I helped her the first time. You still worried about them glasses? Just go get some contacts. Y'all never gave me contacts. Oh yeah, I forgot you were my kid. Okay. Okay. Just stop looking. Oh my god. I'm literally trying to get sleep and you're literally looking for stupid glasses. Yes. Like, tell me about it. Oh my gosh. Nobody cares. I want to sleep. And I want to find my glasses. Oh my gosh. I would let you borrow my sunglasses if you weren't so lame. What? Yeah. So if you keep screaming, I'm gonna give you something to scream about. I need a